Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I am giving you short question answer. Okay, very short question answer. See the question. The school sports team hopes to win the trophy. The school sports team hopes to win the trophy. And this is from Sound of Music Part 2. We all want to lead a happy life. We all want to lead a happy life. And the third is they advise the hearing impaired child's mother. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to consult the doctor. To consult the doctor. Next question, the authorities permitted us to go ahead with our work. The authority permitted us to go ahead with our work. A musician decided to teach the children music. A musician decided to teach the children music. Next question, the home of royal people. What we call it? The home of royal people, royal chambers. The state of being alone, solitude. A part which is absolutely necessary. A part which is absolutely necessary and indispensable. To do something not done before. To do something not done before. It is apprentice. And without much effort, effortlessly. Without much effort, effortlessly. Quickly and in large quantities. Quickly and in large quantities. Thick and fast. And the next question is, when something is revived it lives again. When a government bans something, it wants it to stop. When government bans something, it wants it stopped. Next question, when something is considered auspicious, welcome it. Welcome it. When we take to do something, we find it interesting. We find it interesting. When you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. You find it good and useful. When you replicate something, you do it for the second time. You do it for the second time. When we come to terms with something, it is no longer. When we come to terms with something, it is no longer. Okay. And now I am giving you wind. That is also from class 9. Wind. This is a poem. This is a very beautiful poem written by Subramanya Bharti. It is a very good poet, and this poem written by him, Subramanya Bharti. And this poem is, wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the window. Wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Writer is saying that wind comes slowly and don't destruct anything. Okay, don't destruct anything. किसी भी चीज़ को आप वेस्ट मत कीजिए. Come slowly. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the book. When you come, you tore the pages of the book. So come slowly. आप धीरे आइए ताकि किसी भी चीज़ को आप वेस्ट मत कीजिए. यू ब्रॉट ट्रेन अगेन. यू आर वेरी क्लेवर एट पोकिंग फन एट विंगलिंग. यू आर वेरी क्लेवर एट पोकिंग फन एट विंगलिंग. जो भी कमज़ोर हैं उसका आप बहुत ही जल्दी मजाक उड़ाते हैं. ओके. फ्रेल क्रम्बलिंग हाउसेस, क्रम्बलिंग डोर्स, क्रम्बलिंग राफ्टर्स. फ्रेल क्रम्बलिंग हाउसेस, क्रम्बलिंग डोर्स, क्रम्बलिंग राफ्टर्स. फ्रेल का मतलब होता है कमज़ोर. Crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Winnows का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज़ को उड़ा के फेंक देना. जब विंड आता है बहुत ही तेज़ी से आता है, हर चीज़ को वेस्ट करता है. So the poet is saying wind comes slowly. And the next stanza is, he won't do what you tell him. So comes, let's build strong home, let's join the doors firmly. And practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. यदि मजबूती से हम लोग रहेंगे तो विंड हम लोग का फ्रेंड बन सकता है. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा ही इज सेइंग दैट यदि हम लोग सब एक साथ मिल के मजबूती से सब रहेंगे तो विंड हम लोग का फ्रेंड बन सकता है. डू दिस एंड द विंड विल बी फ्रेंड विथ अस. द विंड ब्लोज आउट वीक फायर्स एंड ही मेक्स स्ट्रॉन्ग फायर्स रोर एंड फ्लरिश. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. विंड का फ्रेंडशिप हम लोग के लिए अच्छा है जब हम लोग उसका प्रेज करेंगे, तारीफ करेंगे. सो दैट्स इट एंड आई एम गिविंग यू क्वेश्चन आंसर MCQ. ओके. What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? The wind does the things that is breaking the shutters of the window, scattering the papers and throwing down the books on the shelf and tearing their pages. And the next question is, have you seen anybody winnows grain at home or in a paddy field? What is the word in your language for winnowing? What is the meaning of winnowing? And the answer is, yes, we have seen people winnowing grain at home or in a paddy field. Winnowing means separating grain from the husk or blowing on it. Winnowing का मतलब क्या होता है? पैडी ग्रेन को अलग करना. एंड पीपल यूज़ विंड फॉर विनोइंग. अब पीपल लोग यूज़ करते हैं इस विनोइंग को कब? जब हवा आता है तब ग्रेन को अलग करने के लिए. ये सब हम लोग को गांव में देखने को मिलता है. वी कॉल इट विनो मीन्स इसे कहा जाता है इन आवर लैंग्वेज पछोड़ना, मतलब पछोड़ना, किसी भी चीज़ को पछोड़ना. ओके. व्हाट डज द पोएट से? द विंड गुड विनोज. द पोएट सेड दैट the poet says that the wind god winnows. He separates the weak from the strong. He separates the weak from the strong, and the weak are treated as the chaff while the strong are like the grain. Strong are like the grain and the weakling are separated while the strong one remains steadfast. Next question, what should we do to make friend with the winds? We should be strong in the body and firm in mind to make friends with the wind. If we make ourselves strong, the wind will not harm us. If we make friend with ourselves and with wind also, wind will not make harm for us and it will become our friend, and it always respects the strong and behaves with them friendly. And the next question is, what do the last 4 lines of the poem means to you? What are the meaning of last 4 lines of the poem? The last 4 lines of the poem means that the wind will become our friend. Yes, in poem I have explained that if we praise wind, it will become our friend. It will become our friend, and if we are strong, and it blows out the weak fires but makes the strong fires resound and thrive, and the wind gives us strength. Wind gives us strength and it helps in bringing rain. It is beneficial for all living things and its friendship is good. So we praise it every day. We praise it every day. Now the MCQ question. What does the wind do? What does the wind do? And the answer is, it throws down all the books on the shelf. It brings the rain again. It tears the pages of the book. And the next one is all of the above. So answer is all. Next question is, name the poet of the poem. That is Subramanya Bharati. What does the wind poke fun at? What does the wind poke fun at? किसके ऊपर वो मजाक उड़ाते हैं? Any living or non-living thing that is weak and crumbling. Any living or non-living thing that is weak and crumbling. जो कमजोर है उसका wind मजाक उड़ाते हैं. And the next question is, what is the central idea of the poem Wind? What is the central idea of the poem? And the central idea of the poem is, if we are strong, even God will be on our side. If we are strong, even God will be on our side. Next question is, the wind god winnows. What is the meaning of winnows? And the answer is, anything that is weak and crumbling. Anything that is weak and crumbling. Okay. Okay, that's it. And in next video, I will give you discussion and description of next chapter, that is Little Girl. Okay, bye. Bye everyone.